You're welcome to my channel. Let's solve for the value of x. Okay, 4 times 4 is 4 squared. So we have 4 squared divided by x squared is equal to x divided by 4. Now, if we cross multiply, we will have 4 squared multiplied by 4 is equal to x squared multiplied by x. Now, recall that a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So that means that we can express this as, recall that this is to the power of 1 each, right? So this 4 to the power of 2 plus 1, since we have the same base, is equal to x to the power of 2 plus 1 as well. So we have 4 to the power of 3 is equal to x to the power of 3. Now we are going to transfer this x to the other side of the equation, and when we do that, positive x to the power of 3 becomes negative x to the power of 3. So we can write 4 to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Now, if this is the first time you are tuning in, please click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell, yes, so that you don't miss our amazing videos. We upload videos daily, so you don't even need the notification bell. Just check us at your convenient time. We always upload videos. Okay, thank you, and please give us a thumbs up if you're actually enjoying this video. Now, when you have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, this is equal to a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, now in this case, our a is equal to 4 while our b is equal to x. So we are going to express this in this form. So if we do that, we have a minus b, that is 4 minus x, open bracket, a squared, that is 4 squared, plus ab, that is 4 multiplied by x, plus b squared, that is x squared, okay, is equal to 0. So this simply means that we can write this as 4 minus x multiplied by 16 plus 4x plus x squared is equal to 0. Now we can actually say that 4 minus x is equal to 0, and that 16 plus 4x plus x squared is also equal to 0. Yeah, now, excuse me, we are going to transfer this to this side of the equation. If we do that, we have 4 is equal to x. So this becomes the first value of our x. Recall that we have 3 values of x to find. All right, okay, now looking at this side, this is a quadratic equation, so let me write it the proper way. So I will write x squared first, followed by 4x, right, followed by constant, is equal to 0. Now when you look at what we have, our a is what? The coefficient of x squared, which is 1. B is the coefficient of x, which is 4. C is our constant, which is 16. Now we are going to use the quadratic equation formula, which states that our x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. That is what x is. Therefore, x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 16, right? Everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So we continue. So we have that x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 6 times 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6. So we have minus 64 divided by 2. Therefore, we can say that x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 64 will give us minus 48 divided by 2. Okay, now we need to simplify this. Okay, and to do that we need a perfect square and an ordinary number. Okay, that when you multiply both of them together you're going to get 48. Now we are going to simplify 48 to get the perfect square. When 2 divide this we have 24, 2 divide we have 12, 2 divide we have 6, 2 divide we have 3, 3 divide we have 1. So this is 2 times 2 4, 2 times 2 is 4. So you can see that 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 3 will give us 48. So we are going to use the 2, right? 16 is the perfect square. So x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 multiplied by 3 multiplied by minus 1 because of the negative sign, everything divided by 2. So we have x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 multiplied by square root of 3 multiplied by square root of minus 1 divided by 2. So our x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus 4 root 3I divided by 2. So we can say, excuse me, so we can say x is equal to, let's factorize, we have 4 in common there. Now when this is divided by 4 we have minus 1, right? Plus or minus, when 4 is divided by 4 we have 1. So no need of writing that, so we just have root 3I, everything divided by 2. So 2 will divide itself to give us 1, we divide 4 to give us 2. Therefore the second and the third value of our x will be equal to 2 bracket minus 1 plus or minus root 3I. So the second value of x will be 2 bracket minus 1 plus root 3I, while the third value of x will be equal to 2 bracket minus 1 minus root 3I. So these are the various values of our x. Thank you so much for watching.